I am making a cooking show, so welcome to Cooking in a Camper. We have some coconut sugar here, and I'm zesting 2 tablespoons of oranges. And fun fact, we only eat cuties in our house. So I'm trying not to also zest my finger. You have to be mindful of that. Finger zest, I hear, not so tasty. Does this look like 2 tablespoons? Do we measure or do we just go for it? Stay tuned. In case you were wondering, 2 tablespoons. Surprisingly, a disappointing amount. I think I could have stopped about 4 oranges ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 oranges ago. Who knew?
I'm Hermione Granger.
Wait. Hey, Hanky, hand her the silver. You're fine. It's gonna go down, it's gonna go whoosh. Boom.
Wow. I forgot all about my cooking show. But this is how it came out. And oh my goodness. So good. My husband, who doesn't even like fruit desserts, yelled at me that in 13 years I've never made it. 10 out of 10.